So I just got my new pulse MIG. It's from Token Tools. If you're in Australia, look them up. Got some really good equipment. tokentools.com.au. Give Pete a call if you have any questions. Really good to deal with. This is my second machine from them. I got one of the ALU Pulse 200 AC/DC TIGs. Comes with about everything you need. 5-year warranty. So whether you're in industry or whether you're in a home setup like myself, 5 years. Bloody hell, nobody else offers that. They also have all your spare parts, torches, cups, whatever you need. Like I said, look them up online. This is just an unboxing. I might try and get do a video on it. It's just a Metal Master 250p Pulse MIG TIG stick welder. Load up on those. Now when I ordered this, I called Pete because I've ordered a few bits and pieces off him, as well as the TIG welder, and he said give him a call when I wanted to get my stuff, and he would look after me, and he has, absolutely. So I got the extra 2 rollers for aluminium. That's the U rollers, and the liner they do a package of one of them and the liner for, I think it's like $44 or something. And I got the extra roller because I have 2 different size aluminium wire, air hose, 3 meter diesel torch. That's the MB25AK. My last MIG had that on it. It was a bit, I think it was just 4 meter, not a 3 meter, but aluminium you probably want a bit shorter anyway. Always helps. Oh, good. For your TIG. Now this does have TIG on it, but I think it's scratch start, DC only, and comes with a 26 torch, which is good. Doesn't come with, oh, it's a flex head too. Oh, it is a flex head. It did come with a flex head. That's awesome. How many torches come with flex heads straight off the bat? That's awesome. Got another spare one. So I've got a 6 meter as well with mine. Well, not with the machine, but for the machine before that, I ended up buying another one. Comes with your heavy duty stick holder. I like those ones. Earth clamp. I think they're only 3 meters. It's a bit disappointing. 3 meters is nothing, you know. 4 or 5 meters where an earth clamp is good. Comes with a little tool. Comes with a tip, with a torch. Comes with your hose. Hose is really not much. A little thing for your TIG torch. Holy dooly, what size is that? That looks like a 3.2. I don't know why they just don't come with like a. Oh no, that says 2.4. So I was going to say it should come with something at least 2.4, nothing bigger. Probably never use it unless I'm out somewhere. Let's go to this. To the machine itself. We'll cut that open. I'm just going to move this back a little bit. They do have, I think they have plasma cutters too. I should look into one of them eventually. Just have a little note on there about an extension cord. 2.4 mil, blah blah. Just about extension cord. If you need one, give them a call. Just want to make sure I'm still in the shop. Well, it's taking a bit of time anyway. Comes with a strap. Okay, that's interesting. Yeah, I mean, this is something if you really needed to take it on for a job site, it's probably not too bad, eh? Comes with a nice moulded 15 amp plug. Last machine I got, I had to buy one, and when I took it back I forgot to take it back. Take it off there, they actually wanted all their bits and pieces back, and I forgot to take that off. I think that was a bit of a fucking bullshit. So, Metal Master. European style thing there, for your gas, for your TIG. And they're just for earth and your torch, and then your foot pedal. Not your foot pedal. You might be able to put a foot pedal on there. I've got one, so I'll test it out. And if you for your TIG as well. Not much complicated to it. It's a fuse, gas in, on, off. Surprised they've got that switch on now. They normally have the heavier duty ones like the 250 amp, but usually have a circuit breaker type. Let's zoom in, see if we can't see what. Alright. Okay. So it's pretty much of a muchness. Not a lot of dials. Wire feed speed, parameter adjustment. Say it does have pulse. Suppose MIG pulse, TIG, MMA, MIG spot. Oh, it's got spot welding on it as well. If you need a spot weld in something. TIG pulse, which I don't use really on my machine, other machine. Pre, post, blah blah blah. It's got memory on it as well. I think they've got them on special. It's just end of May 2017. So I think they had them on special. But if you give them a call and just say, look, what can you do? if you can't quite afford it, you can take the other options of like a 1 and 2 year warranty. But for a home, even though I do use it, I will use it because I do have customers. 5 years, if something happens in 5 years, then that's damn awesome. I can send it back. 250p 250p MIG welder, 250 amp IGBT pulse MIG welder, pulse stitch spot weld timer. So it's got a few things on it. I'll read through the book, have a look at it, and see what the go is, and I think I'll be happy with this. That's awesome.